Everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to attach limbs specifically for my Cthulhu pattern, but just in general as well. So if you just need help with one of my patterns, you may be directed here on attaching limbs, but this is specifically for Cthulhu, so both the legs and the tentacles and the arms and whatnot will be in this video. Reminder that I'm left-handed, so hopefully this doesn't confuse you at all. Hopefully it's helpful. So, we're doing it this way because I hate sewing. If you couldn't tell already, I try to sew as little as possible. So in this row, we're going to be attaching the legs. I am on row 5. Row 5 of the Cthulhu pattern, which reads single crochet 8. So we're going to start by single crocheting 8. So here 1, put my bobby pin / stitch marker in, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so those are 8 stitches right there. Next, we are going to add our first foot. So I'm going to grab my foot here. I leave my yarn ends and I stuff them in here to kind of give it space, so I don't use any stuffing or anything. I just leave it like that. We're going to attach our foot by stitching through these stitches and through the body at the same time. So when we attach it, we're going to try to make it so that where we change the color right here is at the bottom, so it's a little less noticeable. So how we'll do that is I will line up my body here. This is the bottom. And so we're going to be like going like this. So to do this, like I said, you find the bottom like that and line it like this. So I'm going to be going through this stitch first. So 1 here. So you go through here, then you move here and you just go through the next stitch on the body. You pull through both, yarn over, and pull through. Now the next stitch is down here. So go through this one, then the next one on the body, yarn over, pull through both, yarn over, and then pull through. So that's 2. Find the next stitch. This can be a little confusing where you fasten off. So sometimes I go 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means I have 1, 2 left. These are my stitches. So I find the next stitch on my leg. I find the next stitch on the body. Go through both of them, yarn over, pull through, and then pull through. And then I have 1 more on this round. Go through this leg. Turn over here, pull through, and pull through. So you've done 4 in 1 leg. Now we're going to go just single crochet over to the next one. And to do that, we do 6 single crochet. So 1, oops. Just be careful not to go through the same stitch you used. Make sure you find an empty stitch, which is this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 single crochet. Now I'm going to get my next leg, find the bottom of it again, which is right here, and I'm going to go lay it like this. So note that you are going through the inside of the leg to the outside, so you're working through the wrong side first, out to the right side, the working side, and then you just go through the body like normal. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's your 4th single crochet. Your legs are halfway attached. On the next round, we'll do the top of the legs. So at the end of this round, you do 8 more single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now on the next round, we're gonna close off the top of the legs. So it's basically the same count though. So on the next row, we go 8 single crochets. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, and then 8. And then now we attach the next part of the leg. So you come up. This time on this round, we're going to go through the right sides, through the outside of the leg into the body. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 stitches here. We're going to start with the first one here. Sorry, it gets a little hard to see sometimes, so especially when I use my yarn as a filler. So you have your first here, and then this is the next stitch. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then we do 6 single crochets. And then we're back to the leg. Okay, so now we're going to finish the second leg here. And to do that, we have our 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll go through the first one right here. You got to turn, when you do the first one in the body, you kind of have to turn your work a little bit like that. You go through like that, pull through, and there's your first one. 2, 3, and 4. And then you have 8 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you're done with the round. I lost my stitch marker. Okay.